Today I'm fixing this rake that I got from Gunnar. So the attachment is riveted to the spikes of the rake, and it has broken down here. So let's see how we can fix it. I'm planning to do a weld here, but I think I have to push it tighter before I do that, so it will stay in place. Then maybe I will put the weld on the rivets also to keep it in place. Trying to get this to sit in place without the welds. It's springing back a little bit on that side, so I will try to force that down. A little bit of a gap there. Try to push that down so it moves, so it closes up. Now it's actually sitting there without the welds now. Yep. Okay, so I will try to. Remove this spatter. See if I can get a disc that I can reach in to that. Fix that up. I will try to get this rivet to work again by hitting that and get it to mushroom out. I need something as a support on the back side of it. Okay. See if it's the one. So, no weld on that side, so it looks okay. Here it could look better, but I think it's okay, and it's plenty strong. I think it's fixed. I should make it look nicer or not. Maybe even paint it. I'm just trying to make it remove the sharp edges really, so that you don't hurt yourself if you move your fingers over it. Oh, should I get some paint? So Gunnar, you can remove this paint if you want to and do this properly. Just stay here and watch the paint dry. It will be fun. Don't you worry about that. So, is it dry yet? Here's the after shot. It's not grinded that well, so you can clearly see where it has been fixed. Okay, I bring this back to Gunnar now. Bye, and see you the next time.